It looked different. It looked like almost like a rice pudding. I mean, that's me. That's me. That's my inner Southern self trying to rationalize putting sugar in this grits. I'm thinking maybe like a rice pudding. I hate y'all. This is something. Wait. I mean, it's sugar, so the natural addiction to sweetness is there. Okay. And I guess the same with the salt. It's like that sensation of sweetness is there. That's interesting. I mean, it even looks totally different. No, it does look totally different, but y'all gonna get me thrown out of the South. Sugar, I can't even say it. Sugar grits. Grits with sugar. Sugar in the grits. Damn. Make me want to throw some peaches and walnuts up in that mug. Well, I'd be damned.
Go now to DryerBuzz.com and follow @DryerBuzz on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. It's all about the buzz.